Let's break this down fast. So, if your Hitachi AC remote is blinking but not actually controlling the unit, it's a clear sign the remote has power, but something is blocking communication. That blinking light usually means the remote is sending a signal, but the AC isn't receiving or responding to it. This can happen due to weak batteries, signal obstruction, sensor issues, or even a temporary system glitch. The mistake most people make is assuming the remote is broken, when in reality it's often a simple fix. The goal is to restore proper signal transmission so the AC starts responding again. Let's go step by step and fix it. Try this. 1. Replace the remote batteries with fresh ones to ensure strong signal. 2. Point the remote directly at the AC indoor unit sensor. 3. Clean the remote sensor and AC receiver area gently. 4. Turn off the AC from the main power and restart it. 5. Move closer to the unit to avoid signal interference. 6. Test the remote again and confirm the AC responds properly.